Yes. Okay. Hello guys. Today we are going to be discussing something about different type of editors. We already discussed some editors here. The first editor we discussed IDLE. IDLE automatically we got whenever we install Python. Inside this IDLE we will be having two type of things. One is interactive mode. One is the bash mode. Interactive mode is nothing but line by line execution, and bash mode is what? Compile mode. Actually, we have to execute the complete program at the single time. That is called a bash mode. Okay, after that, whenever you are trying to executing the program with the bash mode, first of all, we need to save the file with .py format. Compulsory .py is very important. And later on, the next thing is Sublime text. How to work with the Sublime text, and we need to save the file with the .py. And after that, we need to execute the complete program at the single time with the tools build. And the next concept is PyCharm. How this PyCharm IDE is going to be working? Same PyCharm IDE is the community version we need to download, and after that we need to save the file. And inside that we have to write the Python code, and complete code we can able to execute at a single time with the run file and all. Okay, I told you an error finding process also with the PyCharm. PyCharm is having some error debugging procedure. Debugging is very important. Any programming language you go. And after that, we will be having a very important uh, environment called Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is the environment. It is not an IDE. What is the called environment? Environment is a different bunch of IDEs. Environment is nothing but bunch of IDEs. Okay. So the first IDE we will be having in Anaconda Navigator, the first one is Jupyter Notebook. Whenever you are going to be trying to installing Anaconda Navigator, please make sure you will be having a very good system, very good configuration. After that, try to do install Jupyter Notebook and try to do work with the Jupyter Notebook. Create a notebook page and save the notebook page with the rename. And after that, you write your code, shift enter. Whenever you are writing the line of the code, please make it shift enter process. So whenever you are making shift enter, automatically code is going to be executed. Shift enter, shift enter, shift enter. Every time you have to give the shift enter. Otherwise, you click on the run button whenever you select the particular lines of the code. So Jupyter Notebook is a very important thing and simple thing for the machine learning, artificial intelligence later on. Okay. Any type of machine learning related projects, artificial intelligence related projects, easily we install libraries, easily we do work. And one more thing, in Anaconda Navigator, Spider. Okay. And how the Spider will be? Spider is also one simple IDE. Spider is also one simple IDE. And how we are going to be working with the Spider today, we will see. Okay, let me go for Spider now. How to work with the Spider? Okay. Okay, let me go to the Spider now. So just go to down, and we will be having the Spider launch. Click on the Spider launch here. Whenever you click on the Spider launch, automatically Spider IDE will open. Spider IDE will open. So what is the Spider? Spider is the scientific Python development environment and powerful IDE. Let me open Spider. It will take a few minutes. Based on your machine speed, the Spider is going to be configuring to you. Based on your machine speed, Spider is going to be configuring to you. Let me open Spider now. Okay, this is my Spider, and inside this particular Spider also we will be having a code procedure and how to write the code and all. Just go to that, and Spider 4.1.4 is available. So this is asking me upgrade. Okay, and trying to writing some code over there. Let me trying to write some code over there. Okay. So file, new file. I'm going to be creating a new file now. For this particular Spider, I'm going to be creating a new file now. Okay, where it is going to be creating. Let me go. Save the file on top of the desktop, and we will be having some folder 2020 Python, and I'm going to be creating some file name called demo3 demo3.py demo3.py, and click on OK. The demo3.py not found. To do new file. Trying to launching the spider one more time. What is Spider? Spider is scientific Python development environment, powerful Python IDE, which advanced editing, interactive testing, debugging, and introspection features. Okay, so we are trying to opening the Spider now. What's happening with the Spider? Yeah, this is Spider. Okay, so I just want to create a new file now. Let me create a new file over there. So let me go with the untitled. Okay, this untitled I just want to save with the save as. Somewhere I need to get saved. Demo 3. Demo 3. Okay. .py. Okay, let me go with this particular console. I'm trying to writing something. So this is the file I'm going to be creating, and one is the file.py. In this particular file.py, print OK, print my Python first program. So some program I'm writing, and after that x equal to 10, y equal to 20, and z equal to x plus y, and I'm going to be printing the x plus y, and I'm going to be printing the z value. Print of z value is same Python we are going to be writing. So z value is comma z. Finally I need to write my code. I need to run my code. Save it once. So control S. After that I'm going to be clicking on the run button. So Python, no Python console currently running file. Please open a new file and try it. Okay, some interpreter is going to be working issue. Going to be giving some issue with the spider. Okay, I need to update my spider, I think so. Demo4.py. All files, save it. Warning, no IPython console. Okay, so let me try to install the spider one more time later on. Don't worry about the spider, I will tell you later. Don't worry about the spider, I will tell you later. Okay, so some configuration issue is coming with the spider here. Some configuration issue is coming, so no IPython console is currently running. Okay. Okay, I'll configure it later. IPython console. This is taking some time to you. Okay, don't worry about the spider over there. Okay. And finally, what my requirement is, the next concept we need to go with. Okay, this will take later. Okay. And coming to the one important concept, comments. Any programming language, in any programming language, comments are very important. Comments are very important. So why comments we are going to be using? Anybody? What is the importance of this particular comment? Ajay or Shiva? What is the main advantage with comments? What is the main advantage with comments? Code comments.
We can know what's the function,
Mhm.
what's the function, etc.
Mhm. Shivani, what about comments?
I don't know, sir.
Why we are using comments? Comments mostly we are using for you are using for commenting the code, commenting the code, and commented code will not render. Is it right or not? So in
Yes.
different programming languages, different comments will be available. Okay, mostly we will be having two type of comment. One is the single line comment, one is the multi-line comment. One is the single line comment, one is the multi-line comment. One is the single line comment, one is the multi-line comment. Okay, and will not be render. Will not be render or will not be compile. Will not be render or will not compile. Will not render or will not compile. And one more important reason for the comment. Comments are simple headings. Comments are simple headings to understand the statement. Is it right or wrong? So comments are simple heading to understand the statement. Okay, in different programming languages, different comments are available. For example, you go for JavaScript. Okay, we already familiar with JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript, how single line comment will be? Double backslash. How multi-line comment will be? This and this, right? Are you got remember?
Yes,
And
sir.
in HTML, how my comments will be? You got remember how HTML comments will be whenever you don't want to render the code? This is the right or wrong? This is the right or wrong?
Yes, sir. This is the
HTML code,
this is
then
the correct
you
one.
have to give the this one. This is the HTML comment. This is the JavaScript single line comment. This is the single line comment for JavaScript, and this is the multi-line comment for the JavaScript. This is the multi-line comment. So statement 1, statement 2, statement 1, and statement 2. Statement 2. Statement 1, statement 2. So we are having two statements over there. But whenever you have JavaScript code, we will be having comments like this, single line comment like this, and multi-line comment like this. But coming to the HTML, we will be having the comment like this. See, for every different programming or syntaxes, comments are going to be changing. Coming to the Python, how comments will be. Today we are going to be working with the Python comments. Now we are going to be working with the Python comments. In Python code, how comments are going to be working. In Python, how comments are going to be working for. Whenever I just want to hide the code, and whenever I want to make it comment, I don't want to render with the Python interpreter. What I need to do with the single line comment, and we get a syntax now for the single line comment now. What is the single line comment for the Python? Is very simple, hash statement. Hash is the single line comment. Hash is the single line comment. Whenever you have multiple statements, you write your statements. For each and every statement, you need to apply the hash value. Hash statement. Multiple statement I will be having. So for all multiple statements, we are going to be providing each and every time hash value, hash, something like that. This is going to be a single line comment in Python. But what about the multi-line comment? Multi-line comment also possible. How to write a multi-line comment? Okay, statement 1, statement 2, statement 2, statement 3, like this, and close the triple quotes. Triple quote open, triple quote close. This is multi-line comment. This is the multi-line comment. Okay, this is the single line comment. This is the multi-line comment. This is the statement 1. This is the statement 2. This is the statement 3. For each and every statement, we need to give the hash. That is a single line comment. But multi-line comment is very, very simple and different. This is what your triple dots or triple colon, triple colon, triple colon, triple colon open, triple colon close. This is called multi-line comment in Python. Let's see how comments are going to be working for you. Can I open with that comments? Can I do work on comments? Hi Suresh. Can we do work on comments now? Let me go with the comments now. Launch Jupyter Notebook. So yesterday I got created one simple program. The same program I'm going to be opening today also. What is the program yesterday we created? Desktop and IPanib, demo3.ipanib, right? Okay. So I will delete everything, or I want to write something now. Comments. Okay. How to work with the comments? Comments. Okay. Let me write something like x equal to 10 and x value printing. Can I make it comment to this? Okay. Why comments are using now? Okay. Now I just want to give something like this. Name equal to Python. I want to print the name. So these are the two simple lines of code. Name equal to Python. We are assigning the Python value to the name and we are executing the name value. Okay, I just want to understand what is my program is. So here my comment is what? Name declare and print. Name declare and print. That's it. This is my comment. Why I am using this comment here? I am using this comment to understand what I am doing in this particular cell. I am understanding with the comment what I am going to be doing with this particular cell.
Click just.
Everybody got clear? Everybody got clear?
Yes, sir.
Add cell below. I am adding one more comment now. Addition program. Addition program. I need to understand what I am going to be do here. So x equal to 10, y equal to 20, and z equal to x plus y. So here I am doing very simple concept. What my concept is? Addition. What my concept is addition. I am doing addition program. I am doing addition program. That is why my comment is what? My comment is what? Addition program. My comment is addition program. I can able to easily understand what this particular block is actually. I can able to easily understand what this particular block is actually. So that is the why reason comments are going to be using. At the same time, you don't want to execute some statement. Suppose I don't want to execute this print z value. This value I don't want to execute. Then what you can do? Make it comment. Okay, let me execute. So what is the output now? Addition is 30 and 30. But I don't want to execute this 30 value. Then what I need to do? Give a comment. When I make a comment, that particular line will not going to be rendered by the interpreter. Print z, whatever the print z is available, that is not going to be rendered by the interpreter. Print z will not render by the interpreter. Why? Because already commented. Already commented. So when I give comment, automatically that will not getting executed. Only addition is 30. This is going to be executing. But this print z will not execute. So you want to open the comment, just select backslash, control backslash. Okay, sir, I want to make it all lines comment. Select all the lines, control backslash. Select all lines, control backslash. Okay, comments shortcut. Adding comments shortcut. Note point I'm writing here, guys. Adding comments. Adding comments for multiple lines. Adding comments for multiple lines with shortcut. What is the shortcut there? What is the shortcut there? See, whenever you are writing the lengthy lines of the code, adding comments, removing comments, same concept. What is that? Select all the code. Select all lines code. And give what? Control plus backslash. Control plus backslash. What is the backslash? Like this. And open the comment. How to open the comment? Removing comment. Remove comments for multiple lines. Remove comments for multiple lines with shortcut. What is the shortcut for that again? What is the shortcut again? Same. Select all the lines code, control backslash. Select all the lines of the code and control backslash. Can you observe here? Please observe now. Okay, I'm writing some comments. I'm writing some lines now. Okay, so I'm writing some names now. Srinivas, Suresh, and Shivani. Ajay. I'm going to be writing some 4 lines now and print Aravind. Okay, let me write some different lines. 5 lines I'm writing. So how to make it comment? Select all the lines of the code now with mouse. Control backslash. Comment added. Control backslash. Comment released. Comment added. Comment released. Can you see? Observe now. Okay. Whenever you are trying to working with multiple lines of the code, comments are very important in the real time. Adding comments, removing comments are very important case. Don't confuse with. Can I go for the multi-line comment now? How to work with multi-line comments, guys? I told you already how to work with the multi-line comments. Adding triple quote. Adding triple quote. Whenever you have adding triple quote, automatically this is commented. So we got no output here. Output we cannot able to see, but this Jupyter notebook is printing something, but this is not the real output for you. This is not the real output for you. This is the multi-line comment for your Python. This is the multi-line comment for your Python. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Triple double quotes or triple single quotes, anything is possible. No worry. But this code is not going to be rendered by the interpreter. Okay, so somebody is asking something. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, fine. So this is the one simple concept of comments, and one more concept we are going to be discussing today, that variables. Very important concept called variables. And there is no data type concept in Python. I will tell you later. But first of all, what is variable? Variable is a simple container. Variable is what? A simple container. Variable or literal. Some people are called variable and some people are called literal. Okay, anything, no problem. Variable and literal are same. Variable is a simple container which can able to store some data. Variable is a simple container which can able to store some data. What type of data it can able to store? Variable can able to store any type of data. Any type of data. I will tell you what are the different type of data types available later. Okay, there are different type of data types available. Integer, float, complex, okay, string type of data, and boolean type of data, and array type of data, sorry, list type of data, tuple type data, and set type data, dictionary type data. So any type of data, we don't care about the data type over there. But this particular variable or literal which is going to be store some data. For example, x equal to 2. This is going to be storing integer data. X equal to 20.34. This is going to be storing some floating type data. And X equal to some 10.34 ij. Okay, this is going to be some exponent data. Okay, this is complex data you can able to store. And the string type of data. What is the string type data? X equal to Python. And X equal to single quote Python. Double quote, single quote, both will be available in Python. Single quote, double quote, both will be available in Python. So this is double quote string, single quote string, both will be available in Python. And the Boolean type data, whatever the Boolean type data, X equal to true, X equal to false. Okay, these two can be passed. And list type data. What is this list type data? X equal to, I can able to store some list type of data like this. I can able to store like this. X equal to some list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuple. Whatever the tuple is, I will tell you what is tuple and all later. Okay. X equal to something like parenthesis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set type data. How we can write a set type of data? Set type data, this is going to be available like this is the set type data. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what about this dictionary type data? Dictionary type data also we can able to possible do what? Key and value pairs. Key colon value. Key colon value. Okay, key colon value. Key value pairs. Key value pairs we can able to store with the dictionary type data. Okay, these are the different type of data types. We are going to be working with the variables here. A variable is nothing but storage, some storage area. With this particular variable, we can able to store the data. What type of data you can able to store? Any type of data you can store. See, this is the variable, guys, and this is one variable, and this is one variable. For example, this variable name is X. This variable name is Y. This variable name is Z, for example. This is the first variable which is going to be storing some integer data. This is the second variable which is going to be storing some float type data. And this is the third type variable which is going to be storing some string data. Some other variable which is going to be storing some Boolean data. Some other variable which is going to be storing some list data. Some other variable which is going to be storing some dictionary data. Some other variable which is going to be storing some set data. You people are very clear what is the variable and all? Variable is nothing but some container, the box, whatever you are going to be creating. That box should have some name. I just want to access the variable value. I need to refer with the name. With the name only, I can able to refer this particular value. Why? Because this is the box which is called X and which is the value with the 10. Which is the value with the 10. Whenever I call the X, automatically I can able to receive the value called 10. You got to understand how I am going to be doing here. Okay, this is the box called name. This is the box called name. In this name, we will be having some Srinivas. In this box, we will be having some name called Srinivas. And when I call name, automatically I can able to receive the Srinivas. Please understand, this is very important. Please understand, this is very important. And whenever we are going to be declaring some variables, some rules and regulations we need to follow. Rules and regulations. Rules for variables. Rules for variables. Very important. I'm going to be writing some points. Variable name or variable name should not start with a number. Variable name should not start with a number. And variable do not have a space. Do not have spaces. Third point, Variables do not have special characters. And variable can start with underscore. No special characters allowed. No special characters allowed. One more. Variables follow case sensitive. Yes, obviously Python is case sensitive. Example, now you tell me, I'm going to be writing some variables, which is going to be true, which is going to be false, you have to tell me. Everybody available now? How many people are there? 6 people are there. Okay, let me tell you. I'm going to be telling some variable names. Please tell me which is going to be true, which is going to be false. Okay, so name equal to Srinivas. This is true or false? True or false?
True, sir.
Shivani.
True,
Name
sir.
underscore name equal to Srinivas. True or false?
True, sir.
True. Okay. Who is home? Home. Ajay. True or false?
True, sir.
Suresh.
True, sir.
Yes, true. Okay. Name 123 equal to Shivani. True or false? True or false? True or false? Santosh.
True, sir.
Shivani.
Sir, true.
Ajay.
True, sir.
True,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. I will correct them. Okay. Next, one more I am declaring. 123 name equal to Ajay. Ajay, tell me.
False.
Ajay, tell me. True or false?
False, sir.
False. Okay. One more thing I am writing. Name.
Sir, in place of numbers, if we keep symbols, also.
Yeah, I will tell you. 1, 2, 3 name equal to Arvind. True or false?
False.
False. Okay. Let me tell you. First name equal to Suresh. True or false?
False.
Who is telling false?
True.
Who is telling false this one? Tell your name. Who is that person? Who is telling false? What about Ajay? True or false?
First name. True, sir.
Okay. True. Ajay telling
No, false.
Shivani.
False, sir.
False, sir.
Okay. Whatever it is. Somebody is telling true, somebody is telling false. Okay.
False, sir.
False. Good. Okay.
False,
Next.
sir. False.
Next, tell me first underscore name equal to
This is true, sir.
True,
Aravind.
true.
Huh? True or false?
True.
True, sir.
Okay, let me tell you. 1, 2, 3 Shivani. 1, 2, 3 name 1, 2, 3 equal to Shivani.
False.
False or true?
False.
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 Okay. Let me tell you one. Okay, name @1, 2, 3. True or false? True or false?
True, sir.
Okay, somebody tell true. Any other answers? Any other answers? See, declaration of variable is very, very important in your real time. See, we don't know how to declare variable means obviously the first step you cannot able to make it complete. The first step is variable declaration in the programming. Any programming language you take, declaration of variable is the first fundamental point. If you miss the fundamental point, the complete program you can't understand. Okay, now tell me the last one, only the last one. My questions are going to be ending now. What is the last one? So name at the rate 123 is a Srinivas. It's true or false?
True, sir.
True. Somebody is telling true. Somebody is Shivani. What about you? Ajay. Suresh. Suresh, you can ping me. I think so. Suresh,
True,
voice
true,
is
sir.
not audible. Okay, true.
Oh, no, I stopped.
Suresh, your voice is not coming. Suresh, tell me.
No
Sir,
special.
are you able to listen my voice?
Yes, Srinivas. Home is Srinivas, huh?
Sir, last.
Home, who are you home? Who is this person home?
Hello,
Home ఎవరు?
Arun.
Arun రాలేదు. Okay,
Arun.
Suresh, tell me, what about this? Name at the rate 123.
Yes, are you able to listen my voice?
ఎవరు పేరు ఎవరు? సురేష్ చెప్పు.
True. Name at the rate 123 is true.
True. Okay. Yes. Okay. We will look into this. Okay. One by one చూద్దాం. నీ వాల్యూ ఎలా ఉందో చూద్దాం. Let me execute the first one. Name equal to Srinivas. Name equal to Srinivas. Okay. Let me try to execute. So this is going to be triggering. Right. So this is true. First one is fine. This is true. Obviously we don't change it. Second one we'll try. Name 123 equal to Shivani. Somebody is saying true. Okay, let me try. Okay, name 123. True. Okay, this is true. Obviously true. It's fine. The next one. 123 name equal to Ajay. Exactly, this is false. This is correct actually. This is false. You can't able to declare like this. You can't able to declare like this. Why? Because variables should not start with the numbers. Variables should not start with the numbers. Obviously, this is correct. False is okay. And at the rate 123. Okay. Anyway, at the rate is also not possible. Any special character is not possible. Guys, this meeting is going to be ending within 1 minute. After again, you have to connect. Okay. Please remember it. Again, connect for 10 more minutes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is going to be wrong. False. Okay, the next one. First space name equal to Suresh. Obviously,
False.
error. Correct. Very good. Okay, this is the first underscore name equal to Aravind. Yes, obviously it will take. No problem.